Okay, hello everybody. Today I'm so excited to see all of you again, that I have 6 more consonants to teach you again for part 5. Okay, so today I'm very excited. We'll show you about the 6 English consonants. Okay, so in this lesson for part 5, it is the last consonant for the English letter, from part 1 to part 5. And I have one lesson will teach you for part 6 for the vowels. Vowels. So in the lesson, I teach you about T, it is capital T's, capital T's, T, and lowercase t, and lowercase t, lowercase t, lowercase t, lowercase t, and capital T's, yes. And the next we learn about the capital V, and lowercase v's, was capital V, and lowercase v, and this is a capital W, capital W's, and lowercase w, capital W and lowercase w, capital W and lowercase w. And the next one, it is capital H and lowercase h. Capital H and lowercase h. Capital H and lowercase x. And the next one, it is capital Y and lowercase y's, capital Y's and lowercase y's, capital Y's and lowercase y, And the last one, it is a capital Z, and lowercase shirts, shirts. You can say C's, capital C, lowercase c. For this lesson, I want to teach you about capital shirt and lowercase shirt, capital shirt and lowercase shirt. So it is really easy, how to call or how to pronounce about the 6 consonants, in English. And for the next videos, I will explain you to know about the phonetic in English. Phonetic in English is very important for all the English learners. So for this, I teach all of you to how to know the English letter. English letter and English vowels. That for it is the basic, or for the the first English learner, that they need to understand step by step about English consonants and English vowels. Yeah. And then after you understand about the English consonant like this, for part 5, but you have to learn from part 1 until to part 5, and then you will know exactly about the English consonants. And after this video, for the next, I will show you or teach you about the English vowels. English vowel, there are 5 English vowel, and then you will learn that to understand clear about the English vowel. Okay, so after you learn the English vowel, and then for the other lesson, I will teach you about the phonetic in English. It is really important for the English learner. Yes, okay. So in this video, it is a finish, and thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy and like the video and try to learn together. Yes, and thank you so much, and goodbye.